Alright, see? Those things just line up. Yeah, the color scheme works. And then, remember, you just match it. See? All of them are matched. And now we're going to do these. So now we need a pink and blue, which is right here. So now I'm doing the first layer. It's like you do on like a regular one. Boom. So that's the first layer. Alright, and now just like the other layer, we're going to start with the second one. And once you saw the second one is when it looks like it's coming together.
It's going to take forever with the twisting, ain't it? Because it's hard to twist.
Mm-hmm. Because you have to match up the crevices perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hard. It's just every single block so different.
That'd be shattering it.
You see, like that needs to be right there. There you go. Oh. Here we go. We're getting there. I want to get a watermelon.
I got some slices coming, you know, unless they're like out of stock, which I think sometimes is just laziness.
So are the groceries coming today?
Yeah, like 12:30.
Chris, like, I want a watermelon.
Oh,
wow. If y'all want to stop, y'all can stop and get a watermelon.
Alright, so now that's the second layer.
That is
Now I want to do the last one.
So it's getting easier to twist now.
See, now I got that cross, you know?
Uh-huh.
So now I'm going to solve that cross.
Now you got to do what? The corners or the edges?
I'm still doing the edges. I just have to match them to their... Boom, see? Now I matched them. Now I'm going to do the corners.
That's so weird. Oh, that's cool how it's like that.
Like this. Oh my.
It's like a face now. Uh-oh.
Alright, so this one's in there. I think I just need to do it one more time.
I'm going to crop that picture out and put that...
Alright, see? So now they're all in the right places.
Babe, do you see this?
Look, I'm just soften it. So now they're all in the right places. So now you just do the